This video is going to be on writing an equation of the form ax plus b equals c to solve a word problem. So there's really three parts of this equation, right? Think of it as your a, b, and your c variables. Your c, since it's by itself, think of that like your total. Your b value is the one that's by itself, not next to the x. So think of this as your constant, or just like your number that's not changing. This a value is in front of the x, right? So that's your rate of change or your slope. So think about what is going to change for every blank that you increase or decrease, all right? So let's go ahead and see what goes with b. And in this case, the x is being replaced by a b here, okay? So try not to switch that up. Felipe ordered some books online and spent a total, look at that, total of $89. So that tells us that 89 is going to be over here. Now we're not sure if we're using the first equation or the second equation. That's depending on if we're adding or subtracting. Each book, this word each is really important. You'll see each or per usually, and that tells you that it's the rate of change. So each book costs $5 because for every book, you're going to pay $5 more, right? So this number here is going to be the 5. The 5 goes with the B because it's $5 per book or each book. And he paid a total of $4 for shipping. Since he paid $4 for shipping, would that be adding $4 or subtracting $4? Well, it's not like he was getting a discount. It's not like we're taking it off. He had to pay it. It was adding it. So 5b plus 4 equals 89 would be how you would solve this. So you have to fill in the blanks and pick this answer. So this this scenario or word problem can be solved by using this equation. 5 times the number of books plus 4 equals 89, his total. So let's go ahead and solve it now. 5b plus 4 equals 89. So the first thing we need to do is we want to isolate b. We want to find the number of books. So in order to do that, this is a two-step equation. We're going to subtract 4 from both sides in order to cancel out the 4's and get b closer to being by itself. We'll have 5b equals 85. And now, what's happening between the 5 and the b? This is multiplication. So we're going to need to do the inverse, which is divide by 5. That will leave b by itself, but whatever we do to one side, we do to the other side, since we need to keep these equal. All right, so b equals 85 divided by 5. Well, let's think about this. 50 divided by 5 would be 10, right? And then we'd still have 35 left over, 85 minus 50. So 35 divided by 5, that's 7. So let's see, 17 times 5, that'd be 35 plus 50. Yep, that makes sense. So what this is saying is that Felipe must have ordered 17 books for $5 each, plus the $4 for shipping, and that's where we got the total of 89. So b equals 17.